Alright, so here's my issue. What's been happening is when I turn it, it will crank. It's off right now. It'll crank and crank and crank. It won't start unless if I jiggle this bundle. And occasionally this bundle will actually it'll just cause the ignition to cut out. So it'll still crank when it goes out, but it won't start. So I was pretty suspicious of these kind of ground wires that run onto the cylinder, or I guess ignition lock. Not really a truck guy, so I'm not exactly sure. But whatever these ground wires are that are running, I was thinking it was grounding out, okay? So I pulled this though, and everything, the solder joints look okay. You know, these are a little loose, but I'm gonna rewrap that, I guess. Is that what's grounding out? What's the name of this though? I cannot find out what the name. This bundle goes back, I think, to the fuse box. I'm just having a hard time figuring out what the name of this is, as well as what this ground wire is, because I'm trying to look at a parts fiche and make sure that everything is hooked up correctly. This is also, wondering what the name of this is. It's a little loose. It operates just fine when you move the keys and it turns okay, but just want to know kind of what the names are and what this issue might be tied to. So again, these are all pretty well connected. These two black, which I'm guessing, I don't know, usually black is ignition, are connected, but they're kind of loose. Could that be the issue? Or some of these solder points, I mean, they all look totally solid. So anyways, if you know the name, this little bit is moving okay. This one's a little loose. Maybe it's supposed to be loose. I don't know. If you have any ideas or can help me out, it would be greatly appreciated. It'll start, and a lot of times what will happen is the battery will show it's 14, it'll start, and then it just, boom, as soon as I try to shift the column or turn the turn signals, it'll just kill the engine. Everything electrical will work, but you can tell it's like it's being grounded out. So if you have any ideas or see anything that I've shown so far that looks kind of sketch or suspect, just let me know. Thanks.